Main headline really for you, the fire danger and the wind gusts.
Yeah, wind gusts and just how dry the air is. But remember, we can play a role in reducing the fire risk tomorrow. If you don't do some of the things that could start fires, then it's just a windy, dry day without fires, which is what we're hoping for here tomorrow. Let's talk about the setup, because we've got a cold front working through Texas right now. This front is going to bring the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms along it and out ahead of it. And then behind it is where that bone dry, windy weather comes from. And that's what our day tomorrow looks like. So the rest of the night tonight, few spotty showers around and perhaps an isolated thunderstorm. Then as we see the arrival time of our cold front tomorrow morning, just out ahead of it, we run the risk for a few thunderstorms. There may be a couple of strong, marginally severe storms, although the severe weather risk is low, but also some scattered light showers too. So a little bit of a damp start to the day tomorrow. And if you start with some rain, you may be wondering, what's the concern about fires? It's raining. Yes, but that rain is short-lived. We're not expecting much rain. And in fact, it should be east of Austin by about 7 or 8 in the morning, and then east of our eastern counties by 9 or 10. And then it's sunshine and wind the rest of the day here tomorrow. As far as the severe weather risk goes, it has expanded slightly, but it's still just a 1 out of 5 severe weather threat for parts of the hill country. Large hail damaging wind would be the primary concern here tomorrow morning. The rest of us not expecting severe weather, and we're not expecting much in the way of rain either. We think just about everybody is less than 1/4 of an inch, with maybe just 1 or 2 exceptions. Many of us just a very light rain. We think about 60% of us get some rain here tonight. Still going to be windy tonight, but the wind coming out of the south, 15 to 30 miles per hour, gusting a little higher than that at times, with overnight lows in the low 60s. And then tomorrow, after that rain clears very early, say 8, 9 a.m., we're dry. Sunshine, 77, and windy, the west wind 30 to 50 mile per hour gusts. This is how it's going to look. So ahead of the front, here's the front, 3 a.m., strong southerly wind, but it's a humid wind, which causes much less problems than this dry west wind that comes in with the front, 7 a.m. in the morning. And then the gusts pick up through the morning, gusts peaking in the afternoon between about 30 and 50 miles per hour. We could even get some 60 mile per hour gusts in the hill country. And then the gusts come way down as we head into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. The dry air, though, is the other story. That air really dries out once that front moves through. And then we start looking at relative humidity values in the single digits to low teens midday tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon. So we're combining the windiest part of the day, the afternoon, with the driest part of the day, the afternoon, and then slowly the relative humidity numbers start to climb as we get into tomorrow night. Now, the most common causes of wildfires: humans, equipment malfunction, discarded cigarettes, unattended campfires, burning debris, vehicles and chains dragging along the floor and along the road and causing sparks, and of course arson. So do your part here tomorrow to make it just a windy, dry day without any fires. That is the goal. Another front comes in tomorrow night, cools us down to 70 Wednesday, and then Thursday, sun and clouds, 71. We're in the mid-80s on Friday, ahead of yet another front that knocks us back down a little bit. Still generally dry this weekend into early next week, and don't forget we spring forward Saturday night into Sunday morning as daylight saving time begins.